I just need you to pull the truck up just a little bit, probably like 5 foot or so. It's hard to get these scissor lifts up hills, so I need Jackson to pull the truck up. I told him, please don't go off down the hill, because if you go off down there, there's no getting you back out. He's 11 years old, goes to work with me almost every day. I love these little trailers, super nice. Hope you guys liked the video, and I hope you like the line set covers. Let me know in the comments what you think. I think it looks so much better. Look at that. Yeah, to the left a little bit too, to the left. Yep, that's good. All right, that'll do it. Perfect. Now let's get this thing loaded up. Chain's in the way. Can you get that? That'll do it. Awesome. If you want to learn how to operate or drive a scissor lift, I've got a video down below that I put for you to learn how to operate a scissor lift. Go check it out.
Hey everyone, it's Taylor again with Project to Payment. We are super excited to be sponsoring Taddy's next giveaway, the Taddy Digest $500 Leap Day giveaway. All you need to do to be entered is number 1, comment giveaway on this video, and number 2, be a member of Taddy's channel. So if you're not already, hit the join button below and choose your membership level. You'll get exclusive content from Taddy and ways to interact with him. You won't be disappointed. Then sit back, relax, and watch Taddy's live stream on February 29th to find out if you've won the $500. And as always, if you're still manually creating invoices, tracking jobs, and don't have an affordable way to take online payments, you're missing out. Check out Project to Payment using code TaddyDigest to get 50% off your first 6 months of Project to Payment. That link is in the description. Good luck on the giveaway. I hope you win.